Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan and today I'll be guiding you through another guided workout episode. Today with a walking episode. We are going to do a walking workout. This is going to be 10 minutes long, all about cardio, getting that heart rate up. And today we are at a tulip field, at the Wooden Shoe Tulip Field in the state of Oregon. We have a beautiful sunny day. Let's go ahead and enjoy some fresh air and opt outside in the springtime. Let's go ahead and begin. If you're ready to learn something new, smash that thumbs up button. What we're gonna do is set a 10-minute timer on our phone in order to keep a track here. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Let's begin. If you're ready to learn something new, smash that thumbs up button and let's get started. Let's get right into it. We're going to begin moving nice and slow. First, we're going to move nice and light. We're getting our blood flowing, getting our lungs fired up. We're moving our arms, we're moving our legs, and we're getting our heart rate up as we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Keeping our head and our chest up as we move. Nice and light, marching. We have a beautiful sunny day today. We're out getting some vitamin D. Getting some fresh air and relaxing the mind. We're here for 10 minutes, moving nice and slow at your own pace here before we speed things up. We're focusing on making sure that we're moving those arms, moving those legs, and we're going to bring the step a little faster as we get a little more comfortable and as we get a little more warmed up. Make sure you focus on that breath. And make sure you focus on your form. Nice light movements. We're moving our arms. We're moving with coordination. Nice and light. Getting our heart rate up. Just enjoying. Nice small steps. We have 7 minutes left on the clock. We'll continue to move with control, moving with our breath, keeping our head and our chest up. The warmth of the sun feeling beautiful on my skin today. Very grateful to be here. Focus on that step, nice light step, and move with those arms. Continue to breathe and bring that pace up. Once you feel a little more comfortable with this motion, bring that pace up, get those knees up a little higher, and just focus on getting your heart rate up. Nice light march. Cardiovascular health is extremely important, and there's a perfect way to get it outdoors in nature, whether it be hiking or going for a simple walk. All this takes is some self-care. Continue to move. Focus on that form. Get those knees moving, get those arms moving, and get your lungs fired up. The faster we move, the higher our heart rate comes up. Focus on keeping your head and your chest up and breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. We have 5 minutes left on the clock. You guys are doing great. Focus on that form. Focus on your steps and get them going a little faster as you feel a little more comfortable with this movement. This is great if you just woke up, maybe sat down for a little too long today, or simply want to get your legs moving. This is a perfect way of staying active. And it requires very little space. Focus on moving those arms, keep them moving. Nice and light motion of the legs and the arms gets our heart rate up and our blood flowing. Also flows oxygen through our bloodstream and oxygenates our muscles in order for us to stay nice and healthy and flexible. We're down to 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Focus on that step, keep moving. Enjoy these beautiful tulips. And some beautiful fresh air. Open up those lungs, keep your head in, your chest up. And focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. For the last 3 minutes here, we're gonna bring that pace up. We're moving a little faster now. Nice march. Getting the knees up. Focusing on engaging our core and breathing in nice and deep through our nose and out through our mouth. Focus on your breath. Listen to the birds sing. We're down to the last 2 minutes, my friends. You're doing great. Keep moving. Keep those legs moving. Keep those arms moving. You're doing fantastic. Moving nice and strong with coordination. We're focusing on our breath, stepping out of our minds and into the present moment for a moment of mindfulness while we walk and enjoy some nature, enjoy some self-care, and simply breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. We're down to the last 60 seconds, my friends. Finish off nice and strong. Focus on your movement and your breath. We're moving nice and light on our feet. Moving our hands, moving those arms, and keeping our head and our chest up. Last couple of seconds here. We have 15 seconds left. Great job, my friends. That concludes this 10-minute walking workout. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post new routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.